So I have a bunch of bits and bobs from which I want to try and make a chair. So I think what I'm going to do is tack that onto there, and then I can create some seat beams that will probably come at an angle so that this can sit on here like that, and then I'll cut this and create a vertical so that I can bring this in somewhat like that. That's sort of a theory. It'll be fixed. It'll be fixed at a slight reclined angle because I quite like that. Obviously the this side, the gas cylinder still works ish. And I checked that this is, I've ground a little bit here, this is steel, so I should be able to weld to it. Yeah, I think this is cast steel of some kind. It does not want to weld. Okay, I'm going to try this again. This time I'm going to preheat the part before I weld it. That's probably not going to be enough, but worth a shot. And if that doesn't work, I'll use some kind of epoxy. It's cheating, but what the hell. So I melted some plastic and set off my smoke alarm, but I think I've got a better solid weld, and now that I've got the steel in place, this will be nicer to weld to, so I just have to worry about this side. So far so good. Okay, moment of truth. How much do I trust my own welding? I think this will do nicely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.